For this example, given the following sort of data, so we're going to find the Pearson coefficient to determine its skewness. We have two formulas here. So one is using median, another one is using mode. So definitely from the data, we must know what is the mean. So mean will be equals to the summation of x over n. This is ungrouped data. And then at the same time, after we finding mean, we have to find out what is our standard deviation. So standard deviation will be square root of variance. So it will be 1 over n minus 1. Then in the bracket, summation of x squared minus summation of x, everything squared, divided by n. So we figure out all the summation of x squared, and number of data. So first, we're going to take your mood, find for statistic, one variable. So key in our data here. So notice that we have 10 data here. Means our n here will be equals to 10. So press AC to minimize the table. Then we're going to find for your option. For statistic option, shift 1. So find out for summation x 24.8. So here will be 2.48 when you divide by 10. So meanwhile, for its standard deviation, so we can substitute when n minus 1, it will be 1 over 9. Find out what is your summation of x squared. Take function number 3, then summation x squared. Then minus the summation of x, 24.8 squared, divided by number of data, 10. So here we can get from our calculator button. So find out the standard deviation, number 4. So rounding, when we have 758, rounding becomes 76. So the first formula to find the Pearson coefficient, so we need our median. So to find median, we need to find out its location first, where s will be equals to n over 2, so it will be integers. Therefore, median equals to data in position 5 plus data in position 6 divided by 2. So look at our data here. Our data here is well arranged. So data number 5 and data number 6. So finally, we can put in our formula for Pearson coefficient. It will be 3 times mean minus median divided by its standard deviation. So notice that this is positively value. So means that this is distribution. We can do the conclusion. This distribution is skewed to the right. Or if you don't want to write skewed to the right, we can say this is a positively skewed distribution. Then we continue. We want to see the difference between another formula. If we use formula 2, we have to find out the mode. So the mode will be equals to the most occurrence of the data, the highest frequency of the data. So all the data only happen once beside this 2.4. So the mode is happen at data 2.4. We put in for this Pearson coefficient skewness, where mean, so we take the mean that we already calculate, minus mode over standard deviation. So of course, different formula will get you different of the reading, but the result will still same. Both will guide you to the distribution where it is positively skewed, or you can write skewed to the right because the reading is positive.